everybody. I thought I'd put together a little routine for your neck since we've all been on the computer a lot more lately. So to start out, make sure you're sitting up tall on your sit bones, feet flat on the floor, and make sure your shoulder blades are back and down, resting comfortably on your shoulders there. We're going to tuck the chin 5 times, initiating the front of the neck muscles and stretching out the top of the neck muscles in the back. On your next one, keep your chin slightly tucked and then rotate towards the right as if your chin is on a shelf, and then exhale, come back to center. Rotate to the left, keeping your chin on that shelf, and back to center. Rotate right, back to center, and rotate to the left. Come back to center. Now tilt your ear to your shoulder, keeping your left shoulder down, and come back up. Tilt your head to the left, keeping your right shoulder down, and come back up. One more time, to the right, left shoulder down, come back up, tilt to the left, keeping your right shoulder down, and come back up. Now look over to the floor on the right and take your right hand and give yourself a very gentle pull, no pain, to stretch your levator scapula muscle. If you want to increase the stretch just a little bit more, you can take your left hand and put it on your left shoulder as you're looking down to the right. And then come back up, switch sides. We're going to look down to the left. Take your left hand just to gently pull on your neck with no pain. And then take your right hand and put it on your right shoulder for a little extra stretch. Great, come back up to the center. Place your hands on your forehead. We're going to go into isometrics. You're going to just push into your hands by tucking your chin and release. Tuck your chin and push. This is working the little muscles in the front of your neck again, which is good for our posture and good for neck tension. Last one, push and release. Then place your hand on the side of your head and push into that hand and release. Push, release, push, release. One more. Push and release. Go to the other side and then push, release. Just giving yourself a moderate amount of pressure into your hand. Your hand pushes back. 3 more. Or actually, last one. Sorry. Put both hands on each side of your head and then turn one way and then the other way. Turn, turn. Alternating rotation. Working those little rotators in your spine. Last one each way. Great. Now interlock your hands and place them on the back of your head in the most prominent part of your head. Tucking your chin so your neck is nice and long. Push into your hands and release. Push and release. Now if you have trouble putting your hands behind your head like this, you could also use your headrest in your car or in your office chair. Just want something to push into, keeping your neck long in the back and your chin tucked in the front. Last 2. Good. Now open your elbows wide if you can, stretch your pecs. Great. Now bring your arms out to the side, palms up, and make sure your shoulders are back and down. Circle the arms, lubricating those shoulder joints. And then flip the arms over and circle forward. Palms are down. Great. Now bring your hands together, pull your shoulders down, and with your hands wide and fingers spread, press your hands together, pulling the shoulder blades down. And release. Press together, pulling the shoulders down, and release. Press and release. Press and release. One more press, and this time push your fingertips up towards the ceiling, keeping your shoulder blades down as you push up, and then keep that pressure on your hands as you bring your hands back down, push back up, fingertips up towards the ceiling. Pull the heels back down, the heels of the hands back down. Push back up and press down. Very good. Now we're going to end this little session the way we started. I want you to keep your shoulder blades back and down, sitting up nice and tall. Turn your head to the right, back to center. Turn your head to the left. Hopefully it's moving a little easier. One more time to the right, back to center, left, center, side bend to the right, and back up, side bend left, and back up. One more time, each way. And you are all done. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping in. Hope I get to see you guys soon.